All right, guys, I have made it home in the rain. I'm a little bit puffed, and as I said, I'm very sorry that it's got so late in the day. It's very dark outside, so I'll do the best I can with styling the TV cabinet. And what I might do is jump back on tomorrow to show you how to style the kitchen bench when we've got better daylight, so that it is much easier for you to follow. Okay, so for now, let's style up a storm when it comes to a TV cabinet. Firstly, I need to tell you that I have a built-in TV cabinet that you can see behind me here. You guys probably know, but we installed some caboodle kitchen cabinetry, some flat pack cabinetry that you can see behind me. It was just a way that I thought that we could get some really affordable storage in our living room. I don't know about you guys, but I get sick of the plastic jungle. So for us, it's a way to put everything away at the end of the day. To make it look a lot better, I did put a beautiful Caesar stone bench top on it, and it makes the perfect TV cabinet / storage area. And of course, when it comes to styling, it gives me a wonderful platform for styling all of my knickknacks. But if you guys don't have that, doesn't matter. If you've got a standalone TV cabinet, the same rules to styling apply. So pretend mine is free floating if you want, and I'm going to show you exactly what I do when it comes to styling mine. Okay, so if I move out of the way, and by the way, why does the TV always ruin your styling in the living room? But anyway, you guys have asked me to style a TV cabinet, so I wouldn't be real if I didn't leave our TV here. So it is what it is. Okay, first off, what I would say to you guys is think about the artwork that can surround your TV. Because that means that when people walk into your living room, they're instantly drawn to something beautiful rather than focusing on the TV. It's an area where you spend most of your time. So for me, it always needs to be uplifting and inspiring when I'm in this space. So at the moment, I've got some gorgeous pieces. I've got one of Jai's artworks named Lana, and I've also grabbed a painting that will never go back to the shop by Jen Sievers from the store, which is one of our absolute faves at the moment. And I wanted to show you how to style the TV cabinet with that particular one because it uses a lot of my favorite colors at the moment. So surround your TV with art, put it either side. You can lean, you can layer. So if you don't want to just hang, feel free to lean prints in front of those. I also love family photographs when it comes to your TV cabinet. So you'll see I've got one of us that I will incorporate into my little clusters of beautiful knickknacks. Okay, so that's my focal point. Okay, one thing that I always do is I add a lamp. I am all about creating that beautiful mood in a room. And at the end of a busy day, I love nothing more than chucking on Netflix, turning the lights down and putting a lamp on. So straight away, I'm going to show you guys, I've put a beautiful Mayfield lamp here, and don't worry, I'll do some close-up photographs. This one's in beautiful brass, and I'm going to actually position that up on a book to give it some height, instantly creating, I hope you guys can see from far away, that creates a beautiful mood in the room straight away. Okay, the next thing that I love on a TV cabinet is greenery. And I particularly love one. This is a beautiful devil's ivy that I have. To be honest, I've actually only had this for about 3 months. It's gone absolutely crazy. You water them about every 2 weeks. The key is don't overwater them. But what I love about this is the beautiful trail or train that I've got here. And I love to actually place that over your TV cabinet. So I will do just that for you to have a look at. A simple grey concrete pot, and then creating a little bit of interest there by putting in the greenery. Okay, as you guys know, I've said it before, I'll say it again, groups of 3s. Okay, I'm going to show you some of our newer products. How awesome is this face vase? And don't worry guys, I'm going to upload them all onto the website for you to buy. This is in a beautiful khaki sort of muted green. I'm going to team that with the Marmoset vase that you've seen me use before, which are my faves. And of course, a little pink, because it wouldn't be Norsu without pink, a Bear & Co vessel. So if I run along there and put them in, clustering them in 3s, if I just think about the heights, and how good is that with a little bit of light shining on that vase. If we step back, yeah, that looks okay. So that's really using all of the pinks and the greens, tying into the beautiful Gen Sievers. Okay, now we need to look at this side. And for me, it's all about balance. So if I step out of the picture, you can see that this side here is looking super flat, and that's looking super interesting. A bit of height with the lamp. We need to do exactly the same on the other side so that the space feels balanced. Okay, so first I would add a tall vase. This is the Aswan Marmoset Found vase, which is a bit of a go-to. I've just put this green twig. I'll tell you, I've honestly had this at home for about a month. There's a tiny bit of water, but see what you can find in your garden at the moment and save a bit of money. So just be resourceful, because all you need is something really simplistic. Okay, so let's put this on this side. Okay, and you can see how nicely the green pops against the pink artwork. And you'll see there, if I somehow step out, that has balanced the space really nicely. Okay, who doesn't love books? You guys know I'm a huge fan, and let's do a stack. I love these new books that have come into the store. This is home. We've got, of course, another green one. So as you can see, I'm going with a bit of a theme here. And to follow that theme, we've got this Big Plants book, which just came into Norsu yesterday. And the reason that I've picked this is, hello, how good does that go with the artwork here? It's like this book was made to go with that. So I love to do 3s, different sizes there. So I'm going to put a stack over here of those books. I sort of put them face on. They've got beautiful spines. The top one I do slightly off kilter. And when I do a close-up, you'll see exactly why. Now, I said to you that I'm all about photos. Things don't always have to look perfectly styled in the sense of it just being ceramics. A home is a home when you've got those special things surrounding you. So I've got lots of photos of the kitties. This time I'm going to put one up of Dan and I, a bit embarrassing. Anyway, with just a simple oak frame, matching the oak in the artwork. So put that just behind there to give it a bit of a personal feel. And then lastly, really simple, I'm just going to cluster 2 more vessels. We have the beautiful tulip vase in the green, which you've all been asking for. And I've got this gorgeous little Fox and Ramona dish, which comes in a salmon colour. Again, me just picking up all the accent colours. So let's put this on here. It is as simple as that. In 2 seconds flat, you can see that I have styled my TV cabinet, and I'm going to try to be a little bit clever here, which never quite works for me. I'll show you close up how simple it is. See my little clusters, how good is the mood lighting. And if we go over to this side, if I don't fall down, and you will see exactly what I meant with the height, the photographs and the clusters. I probably should say, yes, we do have the VJ paneling, and I know you're going to ask, the colour is Tranquil Retreat. So here you are in my living room. That was very quick, how to style your TV cabinet. I'm puffed, shows how unfit I am. But before I go, as I've said before today, please stay safe, stay at home. We're in this together, and my beautiful team have been so busy on live chat today. Christy's on there now, and I can see all of your messages coming through. You always put a smile on our face, and we're here to help you with your home still, even if it is from afar. Our online business is functioning, the warehouse girls are busy, and nothing will stop us. So stay safe. Bye, guys.